Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another video. And today in this video I'm gonna sing a song, and this song is a Christian wedding song, so I hope you will like and enjoy it. But before we head into the video, if you are new to my channel, my name is Kenei and I come up with God related videos that will help you in your spiritual growth. So if that's something you need, make sure that you consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my upcoming new videos. So without any further delay, let's get straight into the video.